I bought this FZJ80 for $6,000 and I knew it had a bad head gasket. The owner disclosed that and we finally got it running after replacing the head gasket. All in all, I actually only spent $225 at the machine shop, miscellaneous fluids, coolant, oil filter, and a DNJ head gasket set from Amazon. So I'm into this for less than $500 for the head gasket job. But of course there's the labor. I mean, this took 3 days, well, about 3.5 if you count waiting for the head getting back from the machine shop. But it is running and it feels so nice to start it up and hear it purring like a normal truck. Once it got up to temperature, we checked all the diagnostics and everything is good, ready to go. So the next thing for this truck is going to be 35-inch tires.